All right, today we're going to find three pieces of information. The question says a sphere has a diameter of 40. Now remember, the diameter is completely across the sphere from one side to the other directly through the middle. If we know the diameter, they want us to find the radius, the volume, and the surface area, and they're telling us to use 3.14 for pi today. So the radius of a sphere with a diameter of 40. I'm going to go to question help here. We need to remember that the radius is always 1/2 of the diameter. So if the diameter is 40, the radius is 1/2 of 40, which is 20. Part 1, done. That was the easy part. Now they want us to find the volume of a sphere with the radius. Now we know the radius is 20, so we're able to plug in our information. They told us to use 3.14 for pi. So we'll be able to work this equation quite simply, actually. We're going to put 20 in here. So we have volume equals 4/3 times 3.14 times 20 cubed. Now it's important when you get ready to use your calculator that you solve exponents first. We want to make sure that we follow the order of operations, and exponents comes before multiplication. I think a mistake a lot of people would make is they would take 4/3 times 3.14 times 20 cubed. And what you want to do is do 20 cubed and then go ahead and work through your equation. So I did that. I did 20 cubed, which is 8,000. I took 8,000 times 3.14 times 4/3. And when I did that, I got a number, and they told us to round to the nearest hundred. So I did 33,493.33. So now we have the volume, but remember we're not done because we needed to find the radius, which was 20. We needed to find the volume, which is 33,493.33, and now we need to find the surface area. So surface area is a little bit easier. It's 4 times pi times r squared. We know pi is 3.14, and we know r equals 20. So we're going to plug that information in. 4 times 3.14 times 20 squared. Same thing. Make sure you do 20 squared first. After you've done 20 squared, go ahead and plug in times 4 times 3.14. And when you do that in your calculator, you should get 5,024. Yay! Hope that helped.